Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. You watching for today. Nothing is impossible in Android world. OnePlus didn't provide the OxygenOS dialer and messaging application for older OnePlus devices like OnePlus 11, 12, 13, which are running with the latest OxygenOS 16. This is my OnePlus 12R running with OxygenOS 16 V500 build, and I installed a fully functional OxygenOS dialer on this device. It has working latest dialer with the features like new user interface, AI summary and live transcript, call recording and many more. So let's check out how you can use OnePlus dialer and messaging application on any OnePlus device running with OxygenOS 16 that doesn't have stock OnePlus dialer. So now without further delay, let's get started. I am using this mod on my OnePlus 12R running with the latest OxygenOS 16.0.3 V500 version. Remember, this mod requires a rooted Android device for now, so you can't use it on non-rooted devices. My OnePlus 12R is rooted with the latest version of Magix. You need to download these two files. Two are Magix module files and another are two APK files. You must follow the steps I am going to show you. First, flash the OnePlus Contacts Magix module, then flash OnePlus Messaging Application Magix module. Once done, reboot your device. After reboot, in the app drawer, you will find two applications. One is the phone application and another one is messaging application. Move this application on the home screen of your device. Next, install the phone APK and messaging APK files. Once done, go to the application and under the app management setting, tap three dot menu from the top right corner and select the system application. Now search for the phone application, open its setting and give it all the permission and notification access for all options. Similarly, search for the messaging application and give it permission for all settings. Next, you have to search for the contact application and give it all permissions. Now go to the default application setting. There set the contact as the default phone application. And for messaging, select the OnePlus Messages as the default messaging application. That's it. Now you can enjoy your brand new latest version of OxygenOS Dialer. It has latest new user interface with the bubbles button interface, making it feel like OxygenOS 16. It has a nice full screen caller ID. AI call summary is working. When you first tap on the AI summary option, give all permissions to its setting for voice grab and other options. Select your preferred AI summary language. Once the call ends, you will see the AI summary of call generation in the live alert notification. Here you can see how accurately AI summary is generated. You can also save this summary in a OnePlus Notes application. Automatic call recording and other features like call block and filters are also working great. Automatic call recording without announcement is available for all regions if it's supported in your country. Live alert notification of ongoing calls is working with the nice animation. Incoming call heads up notification and call accept and reject option have this nice user interface. The OnePlus messaging application is also fully functional. It has nice on-the-go AI suggestions for fast replies. It has the nice user interface. This mod is working only on any OnePlus devices running with any OxygenOS 16 version. For other OxygenOS versions like OxygenOS 11 to 15, please check the links for other OxygenOS dialer mod videos given in the video description. Hope you guys liked our work. Then please do like, hype and share this video, subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon for notifications of our upcoming content related to OnePlus and OxygenOS. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Take care. Bye bye.